Regularly backing up your Samsung Galaxy phone is essential to protect your important data from loss or damage. This is how you do it. Open the Settings app and then swipe up to view the options below. Look for Accounts and Backup, and once found, tap on it. Under Samsung Cloud, tap Backup Data. Now make sure the switches next to data you want to back up are enabled. If you're out of the country, make sure to also enable the switch next to Auto Backup while roaming. When ready, tap Backup Now. Your data will be backed up to Samsung Cloud. You can actually see the progress as your phone is uploading the backups to the cloud. You can stop the backup process anytime by tapping Stop. You can also set up automatic backups so that your data is backed up regularly. To do this, go back to the previous screen and tap Manage Accounts. Make sure that the switch next to Auto Sync Data is enabled. And that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.